Are you ready to turn your creative passion into a profitable business venture? In today's video, we're diving into the top 9 Etsy shop ideas that have the potential to earn you more than your day job. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, these unique and in-demand products could be your ticket to financial independence. From personalized gifts to trendy home decor items, we've curated a list of Etsy shop ideas that are not only popular, but also have a high earning potential. If you've been dreaming of being your own boss and making a living doing what you love, then this video is a must-watch. Stay tuned as we reveal the top 9 Etsy shop ideas that can help you turn your creative talents into a lucrative online business. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Let's get started. Number 9. Natural beauty products. At number 9 on our list of top natural beauty products is a range of skincare essentials that harness the power of nature to enhance your beauty routine. These products are crafted using organic ingredients sourced sustainably, ensuring that they are gentle on your skin and the environment. From nourishing facial oils to soothing botanical balms, this collection offers a holistic approach to skincare that promotes healthy, radiant skin. While it may rank lower on our list, these natural beauty products are still highly effective and luxurious, providing a pampering experience that rivals many high-end brands. Embrace the goodness of nature with these carefully curated products that prioritize your skin's health and well-being. Number 8. Wedding stationery. Coming in at number 8 on our list of top wedding stationery is a collection of elegant and customizable designs that set the tone for your special day. These stationery sets feature intricate details and high-quality materials, making them a beautiful addition to any wedding celebration. While they may rank lower on our list, these wedding stationery sets offer a range of customization options, allowing you to personalize every aspect to suit your unique style and theme. From classic and timeless designs to modern and chic layouts, these stationery sets cater to a variety of preferences. While they may not have the same level of intricate detailing or premium finishes as higher-ranked options, these wedding stationery sets still exude sophistication and charm, making them a popular choice for couples looking to make a statement with their invitations and paper goods. Number 7. Craft supplies. At number 7 on our list of top craft supplies is a versatile selection of materials that cater to a wide range of crafting projects. These craft supplies offer a mix of essential tools and materials, making them a must-have for any DIY enthusiast. While they may rank lower on our list, these supplies are known for their quality and affordability, making them accessible to crafters of all skill levels. From colorful yarns and beads to cutting tools and adhesives, this collection provides everything you need to bring your creative ideas to life. While they may not offer the same level of specialty or uniqueness as higher-ranked options, these craft supplies are reliable and practical, making them a staple in any crafter's toolkit. Number 6. Custom pet accessories. Ranking at number 6 on our list of top custom pet accessories is a range of personalized items that add a touch of style and flair to your furry friend's wardrobe. These custom pet accessories are designed with attention to detail and quality craftsmanship, ensuring that your pet stands out in the crowd. From custom embroidered collars to personalized pet tags, these accessories allow you to showcase your pet's unique personality and charm. While they may rank lower on our list, these custom pet accessories offer a level of customization and individuality that sets them apart from standard pet accessories. While they may not have the same level of luxury or exclusivity as higher-ranked options, these custom pet accessories are a fun and creative way to pamper your beloved pet. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you love the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now, let's get back to the video. Number 5. Home Decor. At number 5 on our list of top home decor items is a selection of stylish and functional pieces that elevate the look and feel of any living space. These home decor items are carefully curated to blend form and function, adding a touch of sophistication to your home. From chic throw pillows and cozy blankets to elegant wall art and decorative accents, this collection offers a variety of options to suit different design aesthetics. While they may rank lower on our list, these home decor items are known for their quality craftsmanship and attention to detail, making them a worthwhile investment for enhancing your home's ambiance. While they may not boast the same level of luxury or uniqueness as higher-ranked options, these home decor items are versatile, making them a good option for homeowners looking to refresh their interiors. Number 4. Vintage Clothing. Ranking at number 4 on our list of top vintage clothing pieces is a curated collection of timeless garments that exude charm and character. These vintage clothing items are carefully selected for their unique style and quality, offering a glimpse into fashion eras of the past. From retro dresses and classic blazers to funky accessories and statement pieces, this collection celebrates the art of vintage fashion. While they may rank lower on our list, these vintage clothing items stand out for their authenticity and individuality, making them a coveted addition to any fashion enthusiast's wardrobe. While they may not command the same level of exclusivity or designer appeal as higher-ranked options, these vintage clothing pieces have a nostalgic allure that resonates with those who appreciate the beauty of bygone fashion trends. Number 3. Personalized Gifts. Securing the number 3 spot on our list of top personalized gifts are bespoke creations that add a special touch to any occasion. These personalized gifts are crafted with care and attention to detail, making them meaningful and memorable tokens of affection. From custom-engraved jewelry and monogrammed accessories to personalized photo frames and custom-made keepsakes, this collection offers a range of options to suit various tastes and preferences. While they may rank lower on our list, these personalized gifts stand out for their thoughtfulness and personalization, allowing you to create a one-of-a-kind gift that truly speaks to the recipient. While they may not boast the same level of luxury or sophistication as higher-ranked options, these personalized gifts excel in their ability to evoke emotions and create lasting memories. Number 2. Printable Artwork. Claiming the number 2 spot on our list of top printable artwork is a stunning collection of digital designs that bring creativity and style to your living space. These printable artworks offer a convenient and affordable way to decorate your home with beautiful and unique pieces of art. From modern abstract prints and inspirational quotes to botanical illustrations and minimalist graphics, this collection caters to a variety of tastes and decor preferences. While they may rank just below the top spot, these printable artworks stand out for their versatility and instant accessibility, allowing you to instantly transform your walls with a few clicks. While they may not offer the same level of tactile experience or craftsmanship as the top-ranked option, these printable artworks are a budget-friendly and convenient way to refresh your home decor with a touch of artistic flair. Number 1. Handmade Jewelry. Topping our list as the number 1 choice for handmade jewelry is a collection of exquisite pieces that showcase craftsmanship, creativity, and individuality. These handmade jewelry items are meticulously crafted by skilled artisans, using high-quality materials and attention to detail to create stunning works of wearable art. From delicate gemstone earrings and intricate wire-wrapped pendants to statement metal cuffs and personalized charms, this collection offers a diverse range of styles to suit every taste and occasion. Standing out for their unique designs and artisanal touch, these handmade jewelry pieces exude a sense of luxury and exclusivity that sets them apart from mass-produced accessories. While other options may offer convenience or affordability, the top-ranked Handmade Jewelry shines for its authenticity, quality, and the special touch of human hands that make each piece truly one of a kind. In this video, we've explored the top 9 Etsy shop ideas that have the potential to turn your creative passion into a profitable business venture. From personalized gifts to vintage clothing, each item on our list offers a unique opportunity to showcase your talents and make a living doing what you love. We've seen how personalized gifts, printable artwork, and handmade jewelry can stand out for their craftsmanship and individuality, while vintage clothing and home decor items add a touch of style and nostalgia to any space. Whether you're a crafter, artist, or designer, these Etsy shop ideas provide a platform to showcase your creativity and connect with a global audience. We encourage you to explore more about these featured items and the endless possibilities that Etsy offers for aspiring entrepreneurs. Remember, with dedication and passion, your Etsy shop could be the next big success story. Start creating, start selling, and watch your dreams come to life. If you loved this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.